Hi guys, my name is Bonnie and I'm currently a student at Servista High School. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a snowman today. So with the snowman, you guys can draw it and you guys can put it on your Christmas cards and then give your Christmas cards to your family or friends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by drawing a circle, kind of like this in the center of your page. And then you guys gonna draw a bigger circle like this. On the bottom of the circle. And that's basically gonna be your snowman. You guys can really do anything you guys want to it. So for mine, I'm gonna add a little Santa hat, a Christmas hat, Santa hat. So I'm gonna do this. So that's my hat. I'm gonna add little eyes. And I'm gonna add a carrot nose. And then I'm gonna add a scarf on my snowman. Like this. And I'm gonna erase this. And I'm gonna draw little stripes on the snowman. I'm gonna add buttons. Gonna place him in the snow. Lastly, we're gonna add some sticks for his arms. I'm gonna add them over here too. Like that. And there you have it, a snowman. And you guys can color him with anything you want. So let's say I'm gonna make his hat red. Right, okay, you guys can color it and then make his nose orange. And then color his scarf with whatever colors you guys want. Right, and then you guys can write something like Merry Christmas on the side, and you guys can send this card to your loved ones. And color his arms, and then we're basically done. You guys can be as creative as you guys want. Okay, on the bottom I'm gonna write, I'm gonna get a pen. Let's write Merry Christmas. So that's my final, that's my completed snowman. Really simple, and you guys can try this at home with whatever you guys have.